Hi, and welcome to this video where we will look at offboarding your users and how CloudM Manage makes this process simple, secure and automated. Let's take a look at how offboarding is done in CloudM Manage. The first thing you're going to need to do is set up the offboarding policy. So if you go to Administrate and Offboarding Workflow, you'll come to this screen. These are all your organisational units and all your smart teams. I'm going to just go into org units first. And just click on the top one, which is your root OU. This is going to be the policy from which all other OUs and smart teams are going to inherit from by default. You can see here we've got all our steps for this policy already added. In this demo though, we're going to go into one of our other OUs, our sub-OUs, the events team. And you can see that it inherits all the settings from the test.cloudm.co, which is your root. Your domain will obviously be different. But we are going to want to customize this slightly, so we are going to click on this option here, the explicitly set offboarding policy, which is going to let us go into the policy and customize it. To do that, we're going to press on offboarding step to see which steps we currently don't have in the policy. As you can see, we just have the one step here, which we don't. To add this, I'm going to put a check in the checkbox and press add. And if we scroll down to the transfer of resources sections, you will see that it's now there in the policy. Just to note that all of the steps will be put into the policy in order. It's a logical order, which means that certain steps will take place before other steps so that they won't break later on. This is really important when offboarding. Now, if you want to take steps out of the policy, it's really easy as well. I'm going to take out these two, which are manual steps. So I'm going to take out the request approval by simply pressing on the delete button. And again on the delete button there. I want to add them back in. Add offboarding step. Click, click, add. And as you can see, they've been added back to the correct place within the policy. Another important part of the policy is the workflow settings. This allows you to set some default actions. So if you, for this OU, want any user who is suspended to automatically be offboarded, you would click here and save rules. You can set who the executor is. This is the person who will either make the choices of the manual tasks, so the person who will confirm the requests, or this is the default person that information may be transferred to. And also, if you scroll down, you can edit some of the email subject lines that you will get during the process. And again, once you've made any changes to this, you press Save Rules. I'm not going to do that in this occasion because we've not made any changes. So if I just cancel that. So that's how to create your policy. Now we want to show you how to offboard somebody. So for this demo, we're going to go to one of the members of the events team. I'm going to use a really quick shortcut here by pressing on this icon here, and it will take us to the profile. I'm actually going to offboard Jennifer here. So I press on Jennifer, I get her profile up, so these options. I'm going to go into Actions and press on Offboard User. It's going to give me this pop-up. I can either follow the offboarding policy for the user, so this is this user here, or I can just delete the user. This will have no steps, it will just literally get rid of Jennifer from CloudM Manage completely. But we're going to go through the offboarding policy, and I'm just going to check that everything we want is here. That's the policy that we've set for this OU. I'm going to press yes, yes to confirm. And that is going to start the policy. And now that that policy is started, we might want to check where that policy is up to. So if we go to Administrate again, and then into offboarding status. We can see that Jennifer's process has been added to the processing tab. You can see that it's queued. This is requesting approval. If we press on Jennifer, you can see the breakdown of the steps that are queued, ready to go. Each step will start after the previous one is finished. And then if I go into the historic tab, we can see some of the other historic offboardings that have happened. I previously started a request for Jennifer, but then aborted it. So you can see it there. And then the main stats, you can literally see how many completed, some stats like completed offboardings in total, the ones that are currently scheduled, the adoption there, and other statistics. Okay, so that's the end of this demo. Just to note, we are always adding more offboarding steps to the workflows to ensure that we can automate as many tasks for you as possible for your IT function. It's going to help you in your business to avoid human error, save you time, and will help you to stay secure and compliant. Thank you for watching this deep dive into offboarding levers with CloudM Manage. For more information, please make sure you visit the www.cloudm.io link in the description and to stay up to date with our latest product launches, news and much more. Thanks again. Bye.